Scott McGee from Huntington Station. Just had my kitchen redone by Alure. Yeah, the old kitchen, I mean, we wouldn't even be able to do this interview because there'd be a wall right in between us, and then the kitchen was about half the size. It was probably from the original house in 1950, so just looked to double the space and bring it to some type of a modern age. We gave a call. Rocco came in and he was fantastic. You know, we had the classic deer in the headlights. We knew we wanted to do something, but no idea what. He spent a couple hours, asked all the great questions, and then came out with designs and different choices and things. And then from there, even when we went to the into the warehouse or the showroom, was able to pick out tons of selection. Lots of different things that we had, so it was perfect. The install, was fantastic. I mean, they were here at 8. The in and out, did their thing, left. I mean, always cleaned up, always spotless, and it just kept rolling until the job was done. No, I mean, it's fantastic. I mean, it's completely new look, new kitchen. We're able to use parts of our house that we never used for 19 years. My wife's so excited now. We're hosting holidays that we weren't hosting before, which is also a cool thing. Getting the family around. A whole bunch of neighbors and friends have all seen it, and they loved it. They because they were used to seeing the old kitchen before. We probably, whenever they would come over, would never hang out in this kitchen, and now we're spend the entire day or night, evening socializing in it.